How to upgrade the old Audi Q7 central control. First of all, we use tools to get out the buttons of the screen panel. Then remove the air conditioning outlet panel. Then remove the wire behind the central button. Let's remove the co-pilot locker. Remove the panel under the steering wheel. Then remove the center control panel of the original car. Unplug all plugs, remove the original dashboard and install it on the new product. Remove the original radio host and air conditioning button panel. Unplug the air conditioning button wire, then connect the air conditioning wire we prepared. Plug in the power cord of our new product and connect the radio host of the original car. Air conditioning buttons and hose to reinstallation. Then plug the wire into our products and install it in place. Fix it and restore the lower panel of the steering wheel, storage box and air conditioning outlet. Okay, the installation has been completed. Let's test it now. You can enjoy large screen navigation and play online movies. You can also watch movies while navigation. For safe driving, you can also use voice assistant commands. Thanks for watching.